Hi guys, welcome to Eden in the Kitchen channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how I make Eritrean or Ethiopian veggie dish. It's really easy. Within 10 minutes we're gonna make it. It's called fosoliya tips or carrot and green beans tips. The ingredients that we are going to use for this recipe: 300 gram beans, 5 carrots, 1 onion, half teaspoon ginger and garlic, and half teaspoon black pepper and salt, and half teaspoon turmeric and oil to fry. As you can see, 1 cup oil on a pan, and we're gonna fry the green beans for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're gonna remove the beans and fry the carrot for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes frying the carrot, we're gonna reduce the oil, remove the carrot and reduce the oil to 2 tablespoons to saute the onion. Now it's for a minute we're gonna saute the onion. Now we're gonna add ginger and garlic. Turmeric, salt and pepper. Now we're gonna mix it well and add the green beans and carrot. Now we're gonna mix it well and for about 1 minute. And now it's ready to serve, as you can see. Now we use a flat bread called injera, or you can serve it with your pasta or rice as a side dish. This is how I serve it. I put the flat bread like this, and I put the one we just fried in the middle. This is veggie combination, and I have a red lentils too, and a chickpeas, cacahuète or alicha. This is shiro. This is made of chickpeas powder, and I have kale tips. This is from my garden. And I have avocado and tomatoes.